Hey Jay, how's your motorbike project going?
It's going well. In fact, I have the engine starting well.
Great, I really could use your help at doing my motorbike work.
What do you need your help with?
My bike is being repaired. I did it by myself, but I feel like I did something wrong.
Did you put something correctly?
I have zero idea. When I apply the throttle, the engine feels like it's lagging.
I have a suspicion that you might have arranged your intake port incorrectly.
You might be correct. I didn't pay much attention to the intake port area.
We should take a look at your bike.
Good idea. Let's get to it.
After repairing his motorbike,
I didn't expect your oil valve to detect like that.
Neither do I. I must have accidentally made it loose while doing other work. But anyways, thanks for your help. Couldn't have repaired it without you.
No worries, I am glad to help.